Okay, so we have the annual Christmas giveaway from AOMEI Tech, and I'm thankful for them that they're doing it this year as well. And this year they're giving a total of 22 software worth almost $1,500, $1,453. And amongst them, we have the AOMEI Backupper that you can back up all your data and operating system and all that. And of course, you can clone your system. And if you're a pro, that you can remotely view and control other computers in your system or elsewhere, of course, with permission. And we have the AOMEI Backupper Pro for iPhones, but these are just the most popular tools right now. We have other ones that is Do Your Data Eraser. That means to get rid of data for good, and it's actually really hard to recover. And you can secure erase your data on what's so-called government level. I don't want to use the military wording because, there's no such thing. AOMEI Fast Recovery to recover your deleted data, corrupted files, and all that on PCs and servers. We have a cyber backup that you can do your virtual machine backup solution and protect VMware and hyper virtual machines data in central and agentless ways. And then we have a shampoo Windows optimizer. We have WiseCare 365, we have Glare Utilities Pro, and IOBit Uninstaller. IOBit Uninstaller I find extremely useful, in just my opinion, to get rid of files that actually are sometimes not easy to just see on Windows. And I'm going to grab a few of these for free, and the rest I will leave a link down in the description below so you can go check them out yourself. As always, you are online. Use caution. Just because I've worked before with AOMEI Tech, it doesn't mean that any software cannot be tainted. There's no guaranteed software in an online world. Always use caution. It's just one of those things. We have WinX Video AI, which is an AI-powered video image enhancer, which is a whole toolkit to convert, compress, record, and edit, and all that good stuff. Any enhancer that you can do low-quality videos to 4K, beauty and vibrant video stuff, whatever that means. Focus-C is a screen recorder. ART image matting, well, it's what it says. Photo stamp remover, which corrects photos that can remove watermarks, date stamps, and other objects that might be unwanted. You can do a shampoo background remover, which is a tool for your Windows and Mac, delivering precise background removal for alpha matting, for detailed hair, fur, and transparent objects and all that in your media. And then the last four are going to be SwiftDo PDF Pro, Text Edit Plus, Multicloud, I'm not going to download, AOMEI Partition Assistant Pro, this one is really good, I already have it. And hide files. Yes, you can secure your files and folders, and you can put a password on them. So even in USB drives or whatever, put a password on the file. So we're going to try that too. I'm going to download it really quick. So far, I'm getting just a few things just to kind of test things here, what's going on. We have a screen recorder. I'm going to grab that one too, just to have them. Right? Ashampoo is pretty good. I actually have used Ashampoo before. Well, I use the Ashampoo burner to burn CDs and DVDs. If you don't know what that is, in my channel I have other videos that actually teach you how to burn a DVD, CD, laser, and all that stuff. Recovery, cyber backup, eraser, super eraser, and of course we have the backupper, anti-viewer, and phone backup. I'm gonna grab the backupper. I have it on my other computers, not on this computer, but we'll see where we are with that really quick. And I just put mine here on the screen for ease of. We're ready to go. Now we can open the hide files. We can install it real quick, like yes when asked for it. Next, you have to accept, otherwise you have nothing else. And I'm just gonna go install it real quick. Okay, and we'll have to register it, and we will have a license key right here on the documents. Just grab it and drop it. You can, this password here you see, let me just minimize this. Let me enter the license key really quick and click OK. Yes, successfully activated. Boom. Now this password here is the password you will use to unlock folders that you lock later, or media. So I'm just going to put a simple password, nothing really too fancy. Boom, just like that. Okay, that's our master password. And now we can add folders and files right here. And in order to open them, we will have to enter that password. So I'm going to add a folder real quick. I'm going to add Tor browser, just to have it there, just to see what happened. I'm going to lock it, wait for everything to lock. Boom, now it says lock. And boom, that folder now is supposed to be locked, but we're not gonna mess with that too much, just to show you that actually these things work. The software works. Prepared for IOBit uninstaller. Nope, none of these. Gonna regular install it. Data recovery by installing and all that. I don't want iTop at all. Don't click this one. That's an advertisement. You don't need to click this. Except, I'm not a big fan of this kind of advertising. I gotta say, IOBit, that is a really bad advertising. I do not appreciate it at all. And here you enter an email address. No thanks. And I'm gonna hit finish to run it really quick, because we have to enter a code that came with our stuff to register it. Should be here on the documentation. Copy it and paste it here, just like this. Hit register. Boom, you're activated, and now you have the pro version of IOBit, and you can go through all the stuff you have on your computer to actually remove anything you want in that computer. Isn't that amazing? Somehow, for example, I deleted this Gilded before because I don't even use it. Somehow it's still on my system, as you see. And that's the beauty of IOBit here. Automatically remove residual files. And no, I don't need a restore point. Look at that. Gilded still latching on itself for no reason. Even though I thought I removed it on the Windows apps and software stuff. But it's still there. You see? That's the beauty of this one. Look. It gets rid of all these residual data that's still there. That's absolutely beautiful. Boom. 8 entries there, 692 megabytes here, and it's gone. Now that is beautiful. Bundleware, you can check if there's anything here. Log programs recently installed. Yeah, we know we just installed these. And it gives you the largest programs on your computer. And nothing else here. Software health, you can check uninstallation leftovers, permissions, and any problems. This is actually really beautiful. I'm a big fan of this software. I know they've had probably issues in the past and all that, but I actually use IOBit on my main machine too. Even though for uninstalling most of the time, I use Revo uninstaller, because I don't know, I'm just a fan of how Revo does it. But IOBit looks like with this updated version is really good. I'm surprised. Okay, no malicious software in extend. That is nice. Programs with uninstall issues. Click details and it gives you what's there. Why do I have Google and Discord and Steam? I don't have any of these. That is very interesting, huh? And a little bit freaky. Redundant files. Yep, we need to get rid of these too. We get back to fix. And we're gonna hit fix all. So we get rid of the problems. Now tell me this is not cool. K-Lite needs an update. Look at that. That is amazing. So it finds what you need and it takes care of it for you. Now, one more software that I would like to grab from here is the WiseCare 365. That is actually quite cool, because it monitors your system and all that cool stuff. And besides that, yeah, for now, because I'm doing this video just to show a few pieces of software here. Not the whole palette, because they have a lot, but you know, just so we have an idea. These things, it says, do you want to uninstall? Absolutely yes. Seriously, I thought these were gone, because I'm running all this on a virtual machine, virtual server, whatever you want to call it. And I thought these don't even exist, because I just installed them before for the sake of making videos and uninstall them via the Windows uninstaller. But it seems that they're still there. Look at that. Yeah, this software actually is a pretty good one. I gotta say, very nice. Google Update Helper? I don't even have Chrome on my computer, on this machine at all. There's no Chrome. Why do I have Google Update Helper still here? That is very interesting. Okay, so it's getting rid of the registries up for those files. Boom. Perfect. Look at that. I love this thing. It's actually really good. Okay, for large programs found. No, I know those. I don't need that. I'm good. What else we have installed? Monitor. Auto detect and log program installation. Actually, that would be good. So if anything is being installed without you knowing, it will be captured here. I love that. Browser extensions. These are trusted. Aria is good. Picture-in-picture. Opera Wallet. IoT to Edge. IDM. Autofill. Firefox. Web Compat. This I do not know, actually. I don't even know what it is. Thomas Wineski. I don't have... It's a Mozilla thing, but I did not install any such thing. Or at least I don't remember it. Okay, boom. Gone. Web compatibility, Opera wallet. I don't have any wallets on this machine. These are just garbage that Opera, and when you install other software, they throw stuff at you. We have the backupper, and I'm gonna grab Focus WiseCare really quick. It's gonna be kind of similar in some ways, but it has extra options. And I'm just installing these as tests, since this is a whole test video, I would say, for the moment, but I don't really need all this software right now because most of it I already have from AOMEI Tech, from working with them and all that. And this Pro version says it's actually already pre-activated. This Christmas gift version is pre-activated, so you don't need to activate it or do anything else. Wise protection is on for my files. Clean off the computer regularly, yes. And I'm gonna hit checkup to see what's going on. Privacy traces. 2 entries. Okay. Security projects. 1 item. Remote desktop. Oh, look at that. Brave is running. Yes, I want to close it. This is actually cool. Let me see what's here. Windows automatic update is disabled. I'm going to ignore that. Okay, so everything is good now. It was just a Windows update. Privacy traces. History of accessed files. 1 found. Look at that. And 1 privacy history of visited pages. So it's going through all that stuff. Invalid files such as cache, logs, and temporary files. Look at that. Really cool. So we can get rid of that. Registry entries. 515 that are useless. Most likely stuff left over, I would say. Boosted response speed for foreground programs. Yes, let's go with that. And computer traces and browsing history. Recent documents, other exports, MRUs, search and history. I'm not sure about that. These are in the local machine. Whoa, okay. That's a lot. No, I'm not gonna do any of this one. Is usually I do the browsing history manually. So that's good. So we're just gonna get rid of this other stuff with the software, WiseCare 365. Boom! So it got rid of a lot of stuff we do not need. System cleaner, common cleaner, advanced cleaner, system slimming. Oh, look at that. Windows installer baseline cache. Files were created to Windows installer. Oh yeah, let me slim down that one. Installation files, Korean. These are for... Why do I have these? I don't understand. Japanese, you can remove them if you don't need. No, I don't speak Japanese, nor Korean, nor Chinese. Help files, I don't need that either. So let's get rid of these things. I don't need them. Well, that's Windows 11. Yes, this machine that I do for testing or sacrificial rod is a Windows 11. So I really don't care that much. And we have the startup right here, which is pretty much optimized because I don't run anything here. Privacy protector. You can scan history of visited pages. Look at that while surfing on the internet. Regular scan of tracking data. Let's see what it does. Your computer is clean. Well, I maintain things sometimes. Found 123 processes, including 32 user processes and 91 system processes. These are just processes that if you want to go in and get rid of them, you can, but I don't need to do that because they all work pretty good. So I'm fine with that. And we have WiseX, whatever that means, because everybody's added an either X or AI. Wait. Hello, my name is Wizak. Computer assistant, you can ask me computer-related questions. How can I turn my microphone not working? Let me ask some with a W, of course. Here, let me ask a very serious question to this AI. What does it do? And it doesn't go anywhere. I'm clicking, and it doesn't do anything. Look at that. How to download stuff? No, somehow that button doesn't work. Let me say hi. Okay, this AI might need work, so we're not gonna mess with it. But yeah, basically that's it. I don't really know. Not interested in this one. I don't know what else to say here. It just simply works. And these software that you see here are for free, but only for a limited time up to, I think, January 10th. Yep, ends on January 10th, 2025. So this January 10th, these will be off the table. So if you need any of them, go take a look, check them yourself, and let me know in the comments below if you find any problem with any of them. Because, I can report it directly to AOMEI and let them know if there's any other problems, like you saw with that AI clicky thing. I can let them know about that right away. I don't need to create a ticket here, I just email them. And usually they're pretty good at fixing stuff like that. So please, if you encounter any problems, let me know and I will let them know. So with that said, we'll see you next time. And I guess Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.